Ruth, the women of Moab, through Lot, the nephew of Abraham. Tragically, Elimelech and his 2 sons pass away, leaving Naomi and her daughters-in-law widowed. Ruth loved her mother-in-law and had great compassion for her, seeing that she had lost not only her husband but both of her sons. Ruth's sister-in-law, Orpah, made the choice to stay with her people in Moab, but Ruth could not bear to part from Naomi or from the God of Israel that she had come to know, saying, "Where you go I will go, and where you stay I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God my God. Where you die I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord deal with me, be it ever so severely, if anything but death separates you and me." Together, Ruth and Naomi made the journey back to Judah to the city of Bethlehem, where they decided to settle. Ruth is an example of how God can change a life and take it in a direction He has foreordained. We see Him working out His perfect plan in Ruth's life, just as He does with all His children. Also, Ruth is an example to us of hard work and faithfulness. We know that God rewards faithfulness, and without faith, it is impossible to please God, because anyone who comes to Him must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who earnestly seek Him.